Hey, this is Will, and I just wanted to go over this moisture meter with you. This is a concrete moisture meter. It's a primitive meter. It's just going to give you a basic go or no-go on installing floors on a concrete slab. It's going to tell you whether or not you're good to go or you need further testing. Turn it on with the mode button here. You're going to set it on bare concrete and press it down firmly. And you can see here that we are under 15%. 15% with this meter is going to be the max that we would want to go ahead and move forward with installing floors. Over 15% would be a no-go. We'd want to do further testing. Here's an area that I just got wet earlier to show a no-go. And there we go, we're over 15%. It's showing an X. And this is a scenario where we would want to do further testing, and most likely we're going to need either a sealer or some type of moisture mitigation. Also, we want the meter set to a density of 6 for testing concrete floors. And that's it. That's how to use this moisture meter.